There are two meanings for business. Meaning one, an organization such as a company, shop, or factory that produces or sells goods or provides a service. Meaning two, the activity of making money by producing or buying and selling goods or providing services. Have or own a business. The couple owns a construction business in London. Start or set up a business. It can be a little confusing to set up a business on Facebook. Establish a business. It is too difficult to find the financial resources to establish a business. Run a business. When you run a business, be it small or big, you will need employees. Build up the business. They built up the business from nothing. A family business. Our company was established in 2006 as a family business. Large, medium-sized, small business. Successfully marketing a small business is hard work. Successful, profitable, thriving business. Strawberry growing is just now starting to become a profitable business in Romania. A viable business. Investing in hotels has become a viable business for all actors. An import and export business. I hope to be engaged in the export business after graduating from college. A business partner. Currently, they are seeking a business partner in Japan. A business customer or client. What service will I receive as a business client? A business manager. There are things that I don't know about. That's why I need a business manager. Do business. Commercial banks use this enormous privilege to do business. Conduct business. There will be master classes to find new ideas and conduct business. Get into or go into business. I completely understand why you won't go into business with him. Stay in business. It's no easy feat to stay in business for 40 years. Expand or grow the business. They are trying to grow the business over the next couple of years. Put somebody or something out of the business. Finally, they made their decision to put him out of the business. The business world. The significance of quality in the business world is continuously growing. Business activities. The conference hall of the hotel is everything necessary for business activities at the highest level. A business deal. Professional negotiation. can make a business deal